Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
From time to time, we swipe our debit cards to buy various items, but excuse me, with that convenience, there's a major problem. People are stealing point-of-sale machines. We have more on that in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan for a look at what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, it's home sweet home for Trinidadian Phil Simmons, who has been reappointed as West Indies head coach after being axed 3 years ago. I'll tell you more about that and other stories in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on a separate currency for the Maroons?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.